As the sun rises on this new era, Senegal anticipates a future shaped by the vision and determination of its fresh leader. Hello, and welcome to the African Joe channel. Please subscribe for more African news. Bassirou Diomaye Faye, the newly confirmed president-elect of Senegal, brings a breath of fresh air to the African political landscape. His remarkable journey to the presidency has captured the nation's attention. Who is Bassirou Diomaye Faye? A former tax inspector, emerged as a political outsider and contested the elections as an independent candidate. His firebrand mentor, Ousmane Sonko, was disqualified from standing in the election due to a defamation conviction. The dissolution of Faye's Patriots of Senegal past party led him to run independently. As a left-wing populist, Faye organized protests against President Macky Sall, accusing the government of corruption and neglecting chronic poverty. Born in 1980 in Diaganiao, West Central Senegal, Faye met Sonko while working as a tax inspector, and together, they played a pivotal role in forming a labor union. Challenges and triumphs, Faye faced adversity, including imprisonment. In April 2023, he was arrested on charges related to social media posts. His release from prison, alongside Sonko, just days before the vote, marked a turning point in his journey. Despite these challenges, Faye secured victory in the presidential election with 54.28% of the vote. His commitment to addressing corruption and poverty resonated with voters, leading to his historic win. What lies ahead? Senegal's democracy now awaits the impact of Faye's leadership. He has pledged to weed out corruption, restore stability, and prioritize economic sovereignty. With hopes high for positive change, Faye's presidency holds promise for Senegal and serves as an inspiration for the entire African continent.